guys, what's up? Welcome back to Down South Racing, and I am Zach here back at it again today with my buddy Austin and his 2014 car that you all have seen on the channel, but it's a little bit different. So we've teased it a little bit now, guys, but just in short, the car went from being a Paxton 2200 SL, correct?
Correct.
To now an On3 single turbo kit, 76 millimeter.
76, 75.
So it's the On3 single kit, guys, and it's on the base tune right now. So we're about to actually do some data logging in it, but I want to do an introduction to it because I want to make an update video for you all because here in what now, 8 days?
8 days, yeah.
21st. Today's the 13th. Right now, we're going up to Lee Blankenship for the tuning date. Hopefully, we're going to crack we're going to crack 1,000. You know, barring nothing extreme. But you know, what did it make on the old car? It was a 6R80 car.
So it made 832 640.
Yeah.
832 640.
Because I think it made the same torque as your Paxton
with
car.
The last setup, yep. Oh, you're talking about.
Oh, I'm talking about the turbo on.
Okay, so the turbo it made on 21 pounds with a 6R80 setup. It made 1107, 1050.
So 21 pounds to a 6R80. I mean, this car on 21 pounds probably definitely go 1250-ish. You know, I'm not going to say definitely, but more than the 6R80 car because obviously it's a stick shift car. He's a TR6060, so he just wants to crack 1,000. Really, you don't want to turn it up too much past that because I mean,
1,000 in a stick car is already too much.
It's going to be crazy anyway, so it's going to be nuts. You know, it should make somewhere around. We'll see. What'll Wastegate be since you got the new springs?
So the Wastegate Springs now are set at 11 pounds.
Okay, so
I can go as low as 11 and as high as 22.
So I don't know if y'all are super familiar. I'm sure you are if you clicked on this video, but basically, you know, 5.0s through about 10 pounds of boost on the 85 normally always make around 700. 700. So you know, he's going to be a little bit over that range, probably about 750-ish with the E and the big fuel system injectors and the new turbos. So on Wastegate, he's probably going to be a little bit below 750. We're thinking 18 pounds, he's going to be above 1,000 or so. Close, yeah, so you know, that's what we're going to shoot for. But guys, we're going to get out and data log it. I'm going to get him to start it up here for us. It sounds sick nasty, guys. It's got a fender exit exhaust now, and as you can see, old buddy is missing the exhaust back here. So comment down below and let us know what you think. Firstly, about Austin's one license plate bolt that he has, and then the no exhaust back here, because I personally think it looks good. You know, he's got the GT500 rear valence and spoiler, and obviously, come on, buddy, you gotta do better.
I'm working on it.
Yeah. So, but you know, 13, 14 taillights are to die for. You got the big Blankenship sticker right here, and this sterling gray is obviously sick. He's got a set of welds that you all will have seen by now in the previous video that I used on the front. Can't use his rears because they are 15s, and you know, S550s don't work with that unless you do a big conversion and stuff like that. All you have to do on S197 cars is just a sway bar relocation kit, correct? So his car's got full BMR suspension, everything like that. I'll put a link to the previous review for, you know, all the other details in it. But guys, we're just going to get out and data log it here real quick. We got to do a 30-second idle log or so, and just a steady state RPM cruising log. So we're just going to get out, do about a 5-minute cruising log, and then we might be headed to Mexico tonight with not this one, unfortunately, because of screet tires and rain and base tune life. Yeah. But we're going to get there, and so I'll show you all the fender exit exhaust up here, and then old buddy can start it up. Golly, what is it, a 4-inch exhaust? 4-inch exhaust. And before we forget, guys, the race truck right here, Mr. Austin right here is about to put some 16-wide slicks on the back and probably do like a twin turbo 427 because he's rich like that. JK, but you almost believe this. Big intercooler up front here too now, so the car just looks so sick with the fender exit. Alright guys, so we're in the data log here. It's finally got the communication set up, so you just go to load config, and you can see I have several different ones. The first one was from VMP, the next one's from PBD, the next one's a stick car from PBD I got from Rob to data log Austin's car, then the next one's Tanner's EcoBoost car, so just do Cody stick car. Should open up. Is it off the high idle yet, or you think we should?
Probably need to drive around for a few minutes and get it completely warm.
Okay, that'd be fine. So, yeah, we're gonna drive her around. As you can see, she's still about 1,000. Should just be barely below that right there. So, we'll get it fixed here in just a minute. And as soon as we do that, literally, guys, I don't know if you've ever data logged a car, but you see that green button right here? You just literally click that to start the data log, and the next one to the right will light up red once you start. You stop it, and then you just click save up there and save all, and then name your config file for whatever your tuner requires. Down here is all your stuff that it measures. That's obviously in your configuration file, but super simple, guys. So if you ever have any questions about anything like that, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to help. Oh, we're rolling. Can we hit 1 pound? Woo, 2. Aha. Brave man on the space tune over here.
Street tires for the win.
Street tires, you mean?
Street tires.
Yeah, SKR-EET. 255s off an S550 car, whose name we won't mention.
Yeah.
They like to go by the nickname of Tiny Tim. That's
Free 99.
Free 99. Extended borrowing.
Extended borrowing. And got it on an IOU setup. So.
Yes, sir. It's what we like to hear. We're poverty on this channel.
Poverty channel. I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Good my way, brother man.
Oh, she's starting to spin.
Aha.
Street tires not for the win.
Ah, let us down.
She does sound good though.
Let us know what you guys think about the sound, guys. This is kind of new for us in general because we've never really had a turbo Coyote anywhere really around us. We've seen a few of them in person, obviously, but the sound I think is pretty freaking incredible. So, again, comment down below. Let us know. All right, guys. So there's our idle log done. Just got it saved. Now we got to do our little 5-minute drive log here, and we will report back after that. Sounds so good.
Definitely different.
Yeah, it's definitely different. But
Here's the real thing.
Ah?
So when we get the car finished, the first mod, I should say, the next mod is going to be a tractor flat.
Ah.
I mean,
sideways out the
she
bed.
thinks my tractor's sexy, so.
Do you drive a John Deere?
This is a John Deere.
Wow.
John Deere.
Really impressive. Is that one of those like sterling gray, you know, like 14 model only with a TR6060 and turbo?
That's the only way you can get a John Deere motor in a Mustang is you got to have a, like Zach said, a 14.
Crazy that they actually make like built 5.0s for John Deeres.
Yeah, actually, it's kind of crazy. I mean, it's just kind of interchangeable.
I mean, it makes sense though. It probably saves them a lot of money, just, you know, outsource them.
I mean,
yeah, I feel you, dog, 100%. And they're easy to log, like you just plug this crap in. Ooh, on another note, if y'all didn't know, this is his boost leash down here, so that's how he's gonna turn things up and down as we break our backs going over that pothole.
True. Corbin,
Excited, my man. Yeah.
Corbin, Kentucky roads for the win.
Yeah, facts.
Don't come here.
Alright guys, so there you have it. That's just pretty much a little quick little update on Austin's car right there. Car I think is going to be straight up a hammer. I mean, honestly, it's going to be stupid fast. I mean, it's going to make, you know, the torque is really what's going to make the car fast. You know, coming from his Paxton setup, it didn't really quote unquote make a lot of torque. 800 and basically almost 50 wheel versus just a little bit over 600 pound-feet of torque to the wheel. So pretty big gap. I think the turbo is definitely going to be a lot closer. I would assume if the car makes 1,000 foot-pound or 1,000 horsepower, sorry, I'm thinking about torque, but I think it'll make about 800 foot-pounds of torque, which is, you know, going to be a monster either way. I mean, but you know, the turbo seems to spool quick, you know, just from barely kind of cruising it around, which is really good. The only thing, he's still got to get a clutch wire done, I believe, for the boost by gear thing on the boost leash. I'm not 100% sure. Obviously, there's going to be a whole new, you know, video about the car and do another kind of review with the turbo. Austin's a very good friend of mine. You know, he's kind enough to let me drive the car around. But other than that, guys, I mean, everything I think is still the same with the car, literally, other than, you know, the form of boost that it has now. So, I mean, going from a Paxton 2200 SL, it was supposed to make, I want to say 16 pounds, I believe. He can correct me if not. But, you know, now the car's going to make probably 18 or 19 pounds and make, you know, 1,000 wheel. Not really sure, you know, how the dyno is going to go exactly just yet, but we're definitely going to see and, you know, report back to you all. But the car drives really good. Obviously, you know, Lee just gave him a base tune, Lee Blankenship. Highly recommend him for tuning as well. If you're anywhere near Louisville, Kentucky, or anywhere near Kentucky, really, Lee does really good dyno tunes. He's been he was a Ford master mechanic for 20 years or so like that, and he's been doing tuning for like 10 years. Got a ton of fast cars out there. Guy really knows what he's doing. So, you know, big shout out to him. Austin, appreciate you always as letting me drive your car. Glad I could help you out with the data logging and stuff. And basically, guys, probably the next video you will see will be us at the dyno. And probably, hopefully, by the time I'm editing this, we'll have went to the dyno, so maybe I'll throw a clip in right now. Cue that, and hope everything goes well, but, you know, we'll just have to see. But once again, guys, just another quick little update for you all. I hope you all enjoyed. Austin's car is sick, nasty, guys. The transmission, you know, really transforms the car from the MT82 to the TR6060 with the RXT 1200 clutch. one of the easiest cars I've ever driven in my life. It's a stick shift, and by no means am I an expert. I can drive pretty decently, but, you know, not driving one every day, you know, kind of makes it a little harder to be good at it, if that makes sense. And I have never struggled with pulling out or shifting gears. Like I was saying, guys, you know, never struggled with that transmission and clutch setup whatsoever, and so it really makes it nice that it's super easy to drive. But guys, that's probably going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Nothing really crazy going on in this video. Just wanted to update you guys on it. You know, it's something to make content about. Kind of strapped for content right now, guys. You know, working 50 hours a week right now during the summer, and not really having the funds to do boost on my car just yet, you know, so kind of just trying to rely on my car scene, you know, my buddies and stuff for content. Obviously racing is content, but can't do that every single day of my life, so we will, I guess, report back then. I'm hoping to go back to the track here soon. Obviously I'll report back again whenever I go, but once again, guys, thank you all for the continued support. I've seen where we passed 5,200 subscribers, so that's, you know, really appreciate that, guys. And, you know, again, I always say this, I never thought we'd be here, and so I'm very thankful for all the people that watch, and, you know, thankful for all the people that support. If you like this video, please drop a thumbs up, like down below, comment down below, let us know what you thought about it. Comment down below horsepower guesses. I'll do something. I'll put it down. I'll pin the comment closest to guess the horsepower on, you know, like on Dyno Day for Austin's car. I will send a Down South Racing t-shirt to, or something along those lines. So comment down below, guys, and let us know about that. But other than that, guys, once again, thanks for the support. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, peace out. Have a great day.